Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the wallpaper section. After tapping on it, you can see that here we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from live wallpapers, and here we've got some animated ones. We've got also Google Photos, which is actually your own gallery, and under it we've got the wallpapers, which are defaultly, let's say, installed on this device. So let me pick something from this section, and as you can see right here we've got the preview of the home screen and lock screen, and under it we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So as you can see, we've got my photos, and this is basically again your own gallery. We've got on-device wallpapers, and it's worth saying that you will have to have the internet connection in order to check more albums like the landscapes, live cityscapes or seascapes. So I highly recommend to simply connect to the internet in order to have much more options to choose from. So let me pick something from the live, for example. As you can see, you have to tap on the particular album in order to check much more options. And basically, in order to check the preview, just tap on the chosen wallpaper. And as you can see, we can check it right here. We've got the home screen and the preview of the lock screen. Also, what's more, right now we can change the position of the wallpaper just like you want to. You can just go to the left or to the right and change what you will see after saving. But if you want to just leave it in one position, just tap on those arrows icon, and as you can see right now you cannot move it. So let me do something like this. Maybe I just want this big flower right in the middle. So here you've got the info icon, so you can check by whom it was taken. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. And now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. We've got the info that the wallpaper has been applied successfully, so we can go back. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. It has been immediately applied. We can also check the lock screen, and as you can see, it is visible also right here. Unfortunately, I cannot turn off those notifications. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Motorola Edge 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.